If half the estate sale fun is going on your own personal parade of homes, oh yes, this is the house tour estate sale worth going to this weekend. Tucked among tall trees beside a ravine in Highland Park is a log cabin straddling a stream, seriously, that's been quietly impressive since 1925. Built for the first president of Abbott Labs, later reimagined by the late but still oh so great interior designer Bruce Grega, it's the kind of estate sale that makes you slam on the brakes when you drive past. Inside, Adirondack furniture that actually looks like it belongs in a cabin on the lake. Birch, willow, oak, rush, sideboards, chests, lamps that feel made for a lake house you haven't bought yet. Cottagecore galore that leans super charming, not cute. Copper tubs, folk art birds, chickens, and more. Ramp up your dining style with Arthur Court bowls, Staffordshire snack sets, Coalport bone china, and Waterford crystal. Don't worry, just stick it in the dishwasher. For kids, a huge collection of Melissa and Doug games, no screens needed, along with books, puzzles, and your own Mickey Mouse marionette. And for the kid at heart, vintage video game consoles, games, and accessories, along with sports memorabilia from the golden years, back when Jordan was in town. To round it all out, my personal favorite, an Art Deco alabaster leopard. Meow indeed. Estate sales aren't about needing things, they're about discovering them, and this one's worth exploring. Sophia's Estate Sale, Highland Park, Saturday and Sunday. And follow Picardy for the best estate sales.